Action Jackson. I'm gonna try to get this video in. I know it's a big sun glare right there. I'm gonna try to get this video in. I have a fax guy coming, I guess. I don't know when. Usually comes in the morning. So hopefully this is not interrupted. This video is about eBay again. What a surprise. My new account got banned once again. I listed a keychain for $20 and I got banned under new information. So I'm gonna call them and we're gonna find out why I got banned, and I'd like an explanation on that from them, if they can give me a reasonable one. I'm not sure if I'll put it on speakerphone, but I can't. My account got suspended, so it's not even really active in eBay at all. So I don't know how this is gonna work. I don't know. It's just complete bullshit. Their company sucks more than a hooker. I mean, I don't even know what to say. Okay, here we go with the calling. Their phone number 866-540-3229. Instead of trying to go pages of information trying to find their goddamn contacts, that's it right there. 866-540-3229. You gotta dial 1 first. Whoops. Hope FedEx doesn't come while making this.
Good morning. Welcome to eBay customer service. To ensure quality and for training purposes, your call may be recorded. Please listen to this important message. If you haven't changed your eBay password since May 21st, 2014, please do so now by visiting
your site sucks.
/reset. If you have other questions,
Bitch ass.
you can get many of them answered by visiting our online help. Simply click on the customer support link on eBay. Otherwise, thanks for being patient, and we'll have someone to assist you as quickly as we can.
Kiss my ass.
Please enter your one-time passcode followed by the pound or hash key. If you don't have your one-time passcode, just press the pound or hash key. If you would like to...
Shut up. 5, 4, 2, 4, pound.
We were able to verify your account. Please hold while I transfer you.
Here we go.
This is Kelly. I know who am I speaking with?
Tom?
Alright, thank you, Tom. And may I know, sir, how can I help you this?
I woke up this morning and I found my eBay account suspended, and I was wondering why.
I'm sorry to hear that one, sir. Well, let me go ahead and check your account in here, sir, and let me know why. And see on how we can, rectify this issue for you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, let me check your account now, sir. Hold on. Okay, well, hello, Tom.
Hi.
Yeah, further looking in here, sir, I'll be needing, sir, to have you connected to our account specialist. It's regarding to your selling, Tom, that you are being suspended, but I don't have an option for me to check on the details. Okay, so let me have you connected instead to our account specialist. and they will be the one who's gonna provide the information and who's gonna take action as well to this. Okay?
Alright.
Account reinstated. Alright, so let me go ahead and do that now, sir.
Okay.
Please stay on the line and thank you for calling us. Hold on.
Alright. It's not looking good. I don't know if they're gonna need my real. I'm using the number that I got banned with before. The new eBay I used had a weird phone number, but I don't have access to that, so I'm using my one that originally got banned like 2 years ago. I'll stop recording. I'll record back soon.
Thank you for calling.
Trogalis.
Thank you for that, Thomas. I believe you were transferred over because of the suspension on the account. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Well, as for suspending the account, we actually have a couple of reasons why an account gets suspended. Let me go ahead and double check the suspension on your account. Okay? 1 moment, please. Okay, Thomas, thank you so much for waiting on the line. From what I can see here, the reason why your account was actually suspended because we are detecting that you're providing false contact information on your account. So for us to appeal for this account, I'm going to need to verify your information and verify that you are Mr. Thomas Trogalis, okay?
Yep.
Okay, I just want to ask, the phone number on your account, is that still a working number?
No.
Okay. Basically, sir, we can only appeal for the account if we call you on the number on file. So, and it says here that it was actually registered 8 days ago. Now, I'm going to ask you, sir, why did you register a number that's not working?
Well, I had another account before, so, I mean, I got suspended over, I'm not sure why, it was over a keychain, so I tried to make a new one, of course, and I don't know, I mean, I'm not sure why I got suspended.
I can actually see here the suspension on that keychain, but your account was actually reinstated on the 7th of July. Now, right now, it was again suspended because of false contact information. My question is, again, is the number that you registered 8 days ago still working?
No, because I used a little prepaid phone thing, and I'm out of minutes for that.
Okay. Okay, this is a toll-free number, sir. We will actually be able to call that phone number if you even if it's down to minutes. So, I really apologize, but unless we can call you at the number at the top, we won't be able to reinstate your account. Now, one of our identity verification is to actually double check your link accounts as well. And it says here on the link account that it was actually suspended by the same reasons. Now, can we go ahead and double check this with our higher ups on what's our second best option to deal with this, sir? Can you stay on the line for a minute?
Sure. I don't know what's going on, to be honest with you. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't have that number. It's an issue, I guess. I'll take a time out.
On the line, Thomas, I really apologize for the hold here.
It's okay.
You with me? Okay, let me just ask you, sir, by the way, can you tell me the full address on the account?
46.
Okay, I'm pretty sure that you're in front of your computer now. Can you go ahead and quickly Google map that address, or it says here that there is actually no place on that address. Now, here's what I'm saying, sir. Here in eBay, you actually need to put in that information that is actually matching your information in the real world. So even if you're a third world market, we actually want to know. We actually want to know the information for our sellers, considering they are the ones who are shipping the items, and they actually get to be paid first before the item gets to the buyer. I really apologize, sir, for the suspension, but we won't be able to unsuspend your account, considering that the information on the account is actually false. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I do have a question.
Go ahead.
I was using, I want to know why I got suspended before that, though. I've been suspended before, but they didn't really give me a legitimate reason why I got suspended. I was selling keychains and like watches before, and they suspended me for no reason, and I had perfect feedback.
Perfect. Okay. I'm guessing we are looking on another account, because from what I can see here on this Tom.Dot doesn't have any feedbacks on the account.
Yes, this is another account before that I'm talking about. This one I got suspended and recently got it back, but then suspended again for posting a keychain. And I was wondering why I got suspended for posting a keychain. That's really my main question.
Okay. I think your sellers are basically, we're going to need to make sure that our members got the legit information on the account. Now, prior to your first listing, those listings are going to be removed from eBay.
Yeah, it was removed, and then it was reinstated again.
That is because we actually
where the items come from. That's actually what happened on the account, sir. This is a one-time suspension when you actually first listed an item on the new account. It's a standard process and protocol to verify the items that they are selling.
Yeah.
That's perfectly normal. As for the suspension, on the second suspension on the account, I apologize. But this is only given to accounts that doesn't have, legit information on their that is placed on the account.
I'll use the legit information, but I was just wondering why did the keychain get flagged or suspended?
Again, as a new seller here in eBay, we actually suspend the account on the very first listing.
Yeah, but that wasn't the first listing. The book was the first listing. This is the second listing, and it got suspended.
Can you give me like an item number for that, sir? Because I'm actually just seeing the book, and that's the reason why your account got suspended. By the way, sir, it's actually for the book and not for the keychain. Do you have the item number for that?
No, because it says my account is suspended.
Oh, right.
But wait, the book was suspended at first, but then it got reinstated afterward, and I was able to relist it and everything. I listed the keychain yesterday, and then I wake up today and my account is suspended.
Okay. Basically, as for the keychain, that is actually not the reason for your second suspension. The reason for your second suspension is because when we actually reviewed the information on the account, we detected that it was false contact information, or it's not matching real world data. That is the main reason why you're suspended, not because of the keychain, or not because of the listing that you actually put in, but as for the information that you actually put in on the account.
But wouldn't you be able to detect that first?
What do you mean?
Well, after it got listed, and then you then it got reinstated, then weren't you able to detect that before or after?
Okay, basically, sir, as for the first suspension, again, it's standard process here in eBay.
Yeah.
For the review of your information on the account, this comes after. Just like we said earlier, this is the first suspension is to verify your item that you're selling here in eBay.
Yep, and that got reinstated after.
Right? And again, what did I say? I said earlier, basically, it's the information for the second suspension on the account. Now again, if you are actually asking for a reinstatement on the account, I'm gonna ask you again to verify your identity. Can I call you on the number that you registered on the account?
No, I have no minutes. That's why.
Again, this is a toll-free number. Even if you don't have any minutes, we will be able to call you on that number.
The track phone won't let me.
Call you now, sir.
But the track phone is... I've tried that before, and the track phone doesn't let me.
Okay. Actually it does, sir. Again, this is the phone calls that we make is actually eBay is going to pay for that, not you. Even if you don't have any minutes.
Well, I've tried that before, and I get nothing.
Okay. Well, here's what we're going to do. So we actually have a tool here that can pull up your public database records, and this tool will actually driver's license.
No.
And I really apologize, sir. As for your answer, I apologize once again. This account will stay suspended, and we won't be able to reinstate the account. I apologize, but to take your business elsewhere. Might try Amazon or Craigslist. But here in eBay, we need your information to be legit.
I understand that completely, but my main, the reason you gave me why I was suspended still doesn't make any sense.
Why not, sir? Because here again, we need to make sure that your information is correct. Basing on what you're saying, the address on your account is not of the address in Superior on your driver's license.
Yep.
When I actually pull up your information on this tool, that would pull up your public database records, it's not pulling up any information. And basing on your statement that the phone number cannot be contacted because you're out of minutes, that's actually already so suspicious here in eBay. Now,
I understand.
I really apologize, but I'm not actually saying that this is our false contact information. It might be just a circumstance where it's that we won't be able to contact you because it's out of minutes. But I apologize for the safety of our community. And I'm actually a specialist from the security department as a representative. I apologize. As for the risk that this account is, posting on our eBay community, I apologize, but we won't be able to give you.
But
Please make sure that you call.
I was.
Well, here's what you can do though. If you already have minutes on your phone, you can call us back here so that we can actually call you on the phone number that you have on file.
I'll get some minutes then.
Alrighty then. Well,
But I have a question. How come there's other accounts on eBay? This has always puzzled me. That they're selling. I've seen people sell like really weird stuff, and I've seen replica stuff and fake stuff, but yet their accounts don't get suspended. But I list a keychain, and I get tossed.
Again, your account was not suspended because of the keychain. Your account
Yes, it was.
suspended because of false contact information. I don't want you to get confused about the suspension on the account. It's not about the keychain. It's about the information on the account. We actually cross-reference this to public records. Your record that is registered on the U.S. is saying there that it's not existing. That's why you got suspended. Not because of the keychain, but because of your information.
But how would I get? I mean, I listed the book, and then I get suspended, and I re-enlisted it, and that goes fine. But then I list the keychain. How does that? I mean, I still don't get how it got suspended because it shouldn't draw any flag at all.
Okay. I think you're actually trying to fish out some information, sir, and I'm not obligated to actually, answer this question. But off the record, let me just again inform you that the first suspension on the account is perfectly normal because we actually verified where you get this items. I'm pretty sure that did you call in to reinstate your listings on the with the time that we actually removed that? Well, actually, I can see here that you called in.
Mm-hmm.
And one of our representatives actually reinstated the listing, and that's correct. But this is actually for us to verify your items. When you first listed an item on each and every account, everybody experienced suspension on the account of the very first listing on here at eBay. As for the second suspension, only a few accounts actually. Because the second suspension, because of your information that you put in, actually compare this to what is registered on the real world. And so happens that the information that you put in on your account existing on the real world data.
Alright.
Now, you got it already, sir?
Yeah, I mean, eBay, they've gone downhill in my opinion, and they try to make all these type of moves and trying to protect the community, but yet they're not looking. I mean, it's unfair in my opinion.
Well, I really
It's too secure.
That eBay is actually, going down. That is why. Well, it's a good thing though because as for this.
Not when you're charging 10% per buy. That's ridiculous somehow. I mean, come on.
Okay. Well, you might think that way, sir, but study shows that we are actually improving our business.
How?
So, and by the way, sir.
Yeah.
I just want to tell you that this suspension suppose we won't be able to reinstate this suspension.
Alright, I'll get the minutes.
Please get the minutes. Right, and call us back here so that we can verify your identity. Have a great day, sir. Thank you for calling today.
Yeah.
Bye.
There you go, everybody. I don't know what you can take out of that. My arm looks burnt, because it is. Obviously, he didn't come up with a good enough reason why I got suspended. He's saying it wasn't the keychain. That's bullshit, because it was the keychain that got me suspended. The information, if it was wrong the first time, they would have detected it the first time. He was giving me some bullshit excuse. Obviously, he's wrong, and he doesn't know what else to say. The phone number, I don't have. I used a service to get this account, so they're going to have to do whatever. I don't even know how they're going to get it. It's a fake address. It's a fake name. And I don't know how I'm going to get the account back. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm hoping this company lets me get a new account, or they call it in. If they don't, then, because this is the third time I'm dealing with this shit from them too, I'm going to make a video about how not to use their service. eBay can kiss my ass for all I'm concerned. They're coming up with bullshit excuses. People selling replica fake ass shoes for thousands of dollars, and they're not getting canned. Well, I'm getting canned for selling a fucking keychain and a fucking book. Go kiss my ass. It's all bullshit. That address that was used, that was not real at all. So, I might have to do some editing on that. That's all I really have to say. eBay is unfair, and I don't know what else to do or say to them. I don't know. I mean, it's complete shit. I don't even know what to say. I got suspended in the first place for an unfair reason, and I'm using their fake accounts. That's how far you have to go, to try to get back on eBay. They're trying to take security measures. Bullshit. So, that's pretty much that. I don't know what else to say. And he's accusing me of not knowing my address. Said I was reading it. Which may be true. But, that's all I really gotta say. Thanks for watching this, and more to come.